Imagine a car upgrade that not only enhances your vehicle's looks but also boosts its performance. That's exactly what 2-inch wheel spacers offer. These handy components work by pushing the wheels out away from the brakes and suspension. This reduces the backspacing of the rims, making your vehicle look more aggressive, but it also improves handling. As the inner wheel clearance increases, the risk of the tire rubbing against the suspension or brakes decreases. So, 2-inch wheel spacers aren't just about aesthetics, they're key to better vehicle handling. Now that we've established the importance of 2-inch wheel spacers, let's delve into their benefits and features. These spacers increase the inner wheel clearance, reducing the risk of your tires rubbing against the suspension or brakes. This is particularly beneficial when using performance brake kits or aftermarket shock absorbers, which might require more space. Quality is key, and that's where bonoss 2-inch wheel spacers shine. Made from forged 6061 T6 and 7075 T6 aluminum alloys, these spacers offer superior strength, toughness, and corrosion resistance. Plus, their good thermal conductivity helps dissipate brake heat more effectively, keeping your rims and brakes in better condition. But that's not all. Bonoss spacers feature a unique active cooling technique. Thanks to the pedal-shaped groove design, these spacers encourage efficient airflow, actively cooling the braking system and enhancing brake efficiency. This not only improves performance but also ensures safety during your drive. So with 2-inch wheel spacers, you get more than just a visual upgrade. You get a performance boost, enhanced safety, and top-notch quality. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about 2-inch wheel spacers. Their role in pushing the wheels outwards not only gives your vehicle a more aggressive look, but also enhances handling. The increased inner wheel clearance reduces the risk of tire rubbing, essential when upgrading to performance brakes or offset wheels. Made with precision from strong, corrosion-resistant aluminum alloys, these spacers also dissipate brake heat efficiently. So, if you're looking for an upgrade that delivers on both looks and performance, 2-inch wheel spacers should be on top of your list. Because in the end, it's not just about how your car looks, but how it performs on the road.